This is the weather forecast video for Friday, December 23rd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system along the eastern coast of the country, producing some snow across the far north with showers and a few isolated thunderstorms, snow across the desert southwest, and a new storm moving into the Pacific Northwest. Watch warning map from just before midnight. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings across eastern Arizona into New Mexico and West Texas. Some frost and freeze advisories over the San Joaquin Valley of California. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock shows moderate amounts of precipitation from New Mexico, which will be mostly snow, through Texas across the deep south and up the eastern coast, with some heavy precipitation over the Pacific Northwest. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 6 p.m. this evening. You see the energy over the desert southwest near El Paso, with a bit of a trough moving through the eastern half of the country. Bit of snow just to our north over Wisconsin, Minnesota. We'll just have maybe a few passing clouds with highs a bit cooler, lower to middle 30s. We head into Christmas Eve. There's the storm moving into Texas and into the Gulf of Mexico with some rain there, while the rest of the nation is dry and seasonal. We head to Christmas Day. It'll be fairly quiet across the country. A few lake effect snow showers across the lakes, some rain, moderate to maybe some heavy at times over the south, and some showers over the Pacific Northwest, which continue into the day after Christmas, Monday, while the rain also continues into the deep south, mainly Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. As we move ahead to Tuesday, that storm moves off the eastern coast with maybe a few lingering showers over the Carolinas. Still, some rain and mountain snow over the Pacific Northwest, extending into the northern Rockies. That'll be moving in on Wednesday into the northern Rockies, but the rain and snow continues to batter the Pacific Northwest, be one of the only areas receiving any precipitation across the country, and still will be even into Thursday with a bit of snow moving into the plain states, namely the Dakotas, but still high and dry here with temperatures in the 30s and low 40s. We head into a week from today, the 30th. A bit of energy moving across the western Great Lakes with another energy piece moving into the northwest. And with that, the system, some heavy precipitation moving into the northwest. Some light amounts of precipitation. This could be a few light snow showers, flurries, maybe even a few sprinkles if the temperatures are above freezing. We head further into the month of January. Here's January the 3rd. Deep trough, well, not very deep, a trough axis moving across the western Great Lakes and the Midwest, but most of the moisture will be over Canada and the far northern reaches of upper Michigan, while we remain high and dry. And as we head to the end of the forecast, on January the 7th, that looks pretty benign. West-east flow across the country, most of the energy up in Canada. And with the energy up in Canada, that's where most of the moisture will be, over Canada, with another storm system coming into the Pacific Northwest with valley rain and mountain snow there. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.